Hey girl queens, so today we're gonna try something new. We're gonna do a flat twist into a ponytail. I can't really braid that well, the back anyway, and parting's gonna be a journey. So do this one. I already sectioned or parted nicely. I think it's parted right. Let's see. Yeah. All Melanin Hair Care products. I already washed my hair, leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna use the cream, the multi pure blend oil, and then probably in the front only, I'm gonna just use the wet line gel just around the edges. And that's it. Try to have a protective style just for a little bit. So that doesn't look bad at all. Now I gotta keep them all the same size and work all the way through my head. Hey y'all, so basically I've had my hair up for a week. Your girl gonna take it out and rock it down for this coming week. I'll show you what it looked like after I untwisted. So I'm all done. It's all taken out. Y'all see these curls? Ready to rock this all week.